Welcome to the world of Persian rice, a recipe that stole our heart at first bite. This classic casserole called Tahchin layers rice, saffron, and yogurt and marinated chicken cooked in the oven. Top layer that is golden brown and crunchy, an addictive part of every bite. The crispy layer called TahDig or bottom of the pot. And the second you taste it, you will never go back to pilaf. We start off with 3 cups of basmati rice, which is one of my favorite grains. It is so fragrant. One of the first steps that we do with the rice is rinse it several times until the water runs clear. So in goes some cold water, just enough to top the rice, and then I'm just gonna go on with my fingers and massage the grains. And as you can tell, the water starts to turn cloudy, so that excess starch coming off of the rice, we're gonna do this several times until the water runs clear. So we're gonna rinse, drain, rinse, drain, rinse, drain until I have a clear water. My rice is rinsed and I have topped it off with a little more tap water because I'm gonna allow my rice to soak. This is very important stage in the process of making rice because when I cook the rice, it will prevent it from breaking. We want those nice long grains and soaking is going to help with that. So let it soak for 30 minutes. Now let's jump to the rest of ingredients. For my filling today I'm using chicken, but this recipe is very versatile and you can add beef, lamb, chicken, pork, anything you like. 1 large chopped onion, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 2 tablespoons room temperature butter, 1½ cup Greek yogurt, one teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon Aleppo pepper or chili pepper flake, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. And signature flavor of this dish, saffron. Saffron is used so much in Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cooking. It is the sigma of the crocus flower. It has a beautiful floral aroma and it is really expensive, but a little pinch goes a long way. So I have a little pinch of saffron here, and what I will do is adding a little bit sugar to help crush it up with my finger, just a touch, and that will help with all of its aroma being released. You can do same thing in bigger batch with a coffee or a spice grinder. Just add your saffron and a little bit of sugar and grind in advance and keep for future use. ½ cup barberries. Barberries are these guys, so cool. They are really tiny tart berries. But if you can't find these, that's okay. You can go with cranberries. ½ cup sour cherries. Once again, if you can't find them, you can substitute with cranberries. You have soaked them in cold water for 15 minutes and then wash and rinse them. ½ cup sliced almonds. We need 3 egg yolks. Don't waste the egg white. Keep them in fridge for your omelette tomorrow morning. And now we have to create the glue and the flavoring that's gonna hold our rice cake together. In a large mixing bowl, add Greek yogurt and egg yolks and mix it together. Add 1 tablespoon butter and mix it in. Add a little bit of salt and pepper to season things up. And in goes the saffron and 1 more mix. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now let's make our cake filling. In a heated skillet, add 1 tablespoon oil and add turmeric. Add chopped onion and saute until it's golden brown. Now add the chicken slices and saute until chicken juices are released. Add tomato paste and remaining seasoning. Give it a good mix and add 1 teaspoon saffron powder. Now add barberries and sour cherries and sliced almond. Mix all together and place the lid and let it marinate together. Make sure there is not much liquid in the mixture. My rice has soaked for 30 minutes and now it's time to boil it, so I just drain it. My water is at rolling boil. I'm adding gently my basmati rice in. I wanna get every last bit. And now we are going to boil this for 10 minutes, no longer. You want the rice to be about 3/4 of the way cooked because it will finish cooking in the oven. And now we drain the rice and rinse it with a little bit cold water to stop the cooking process. Now let's assemble our rice cake. In portions, add drained rice to yogurt mixture. Gently fold it well until all grains are colored. Grab a glass baking dish and grease it with remaining butter. And now in goes first layer of rice. Make sure you're pressing it down and leave no gaps or hole behind. Add 1 flat layer of marinated chicken. Now add second layer of rice. With back of a spoon or a spatula, get it into one even layer and press it down. We want this to be a firm cake. If you don't press down your cake layer, it will not stick together when we serve on table. I will cover my dish with some aluminum foil. And stab some holes on it with toothpicks or a fork to allow steam out while it's cooking. Place the dish in preheated 400 Fahrenheit oven for 1 hour in bottom rack. There we go guys, our Tahchin rice cake is ready to flip. Place your serving platter on top and flip it. Gorgeous! Cut it gently and garnish with some berries and vegetables. Crispy exterior and tender and creamy inside with saffron and other goodies inside. You deserve it. Enjoy it.